Hi everyone, my name is Mara Burrows. Today is April 5, 2020. I just finished week 4, lab 6. We did the methyl red testing, the VP testing, and the catalase testing. So for the methyl red testing, it looks like both the S-epi and the E. coli turned red immediately once I added in the methyl red. I don't have the vials to show you because I did toss them in bleach right after I did them in the process of cleaning up. But I do have pictures of it, which I will show. After that, we did the VP testing. So I actually have both the tubes here with me. This right here is the E. coli, and this right here is the S-epi. So I actually thought that the S-epi had more of a red film on top. I thought it was going to, because while I was waiting for it to form the 30 minutes, it looked like there was a small tint of red at the top, but after 30 minutes there was no red at all. So I found that pretty interesting. Same with the E. coli, there was no red film on top, as you can tell, which I thought was pretty interesting. So both tested negative. Next, when we did the catalase testing, I did put a drop of hydrogen peroxide after I used the inoculated loop to get the cultures out of the S-epi and the E. coli plate. I did place them on the slide. I placed 1 drop of the hydrogen peroxide, and the E. coli didn't bubble at all. The S-epi, it did bubble up, not as much as I thought it would, but it did bubble up, and then it just kind of went away very quickly. So in that case, the E. coli was negative, and the S-epi was positive. I thought that this lab was pretty fun and interesting. It was nice to see the acidic components of certain bacterias. What I did mess up on, again, is me throwing away my specimens right after doing them and reading the results and not saving it for my experiment video. But I do have pictures of them, and I am posting them here. Otherwise, it was a successful lab, and I did learn a lot. Thank you. Have a good day.